discussing the question. Find the angle subtended at the origin by the line segment whose endpoints are 0, 10 and 10, 0. Look here, I think you all are familiar to plot the points 0, 10 and 10, 0. If I plot the points 0, 10 and 10, 0, look here, the point 10, 0 will lie on the x-axis and 0, 10 will be lying on the y-axis. Now, I need to find the angle subtended by this line segment at the origin. That means I need to find the angle AOB. Is that clear? Look here. So, I need to find the angle AOB. So, to find this, I will make use of the Pythagoras theorem. I think you all are very familiar with the Pythagoras theorem, and it states that the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the adjacent side and the opposite side. So, now I will make use of Pythagoras theorem, that is, I will find the value of AB square. I think you all know how to find the value of AB square using distance formula, which is nothing but how to find AB square. Look here, if I take this point as x1, y1 and this one point as x2, y2. What is the distance formula? It is given as root of, since I have taken square here, I will not be writing the root. This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is AB square is equal to, so look here, x2 minus x1 whole square is nothing but 10 minus 0 whole square, which is 100, 10 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 10 whole square, which is minus 10 whole square. That is 100 plus 100 is 200. So we have got the value of AB square as 200, and I will take this one as equation number 1. So now I will find OB square. So similar to this format, OB square is found as, this can be calculated as 10 minus 0 whole square, 10 minus 0 whole square plus the other one is 0 minus 0 whole square. 10 minus 0 whole square is 10 square, 10 square is 100. That means OB square is equal to 100. I will take this one as equation number 2. Similar to that, I will calculate AO square. So, OA square is equal to, so how to find OA square? Apply here also the distance formula, that will be 0 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 10 whole square. That is 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 10 is minus 10 whole square, which is 100. So that is 100. Therefore, we will have OA square is equal to 100. So clearly we can see from these three equations, look here, 200, and we have got OB square as 100 and OA square as 100. So using equation 2 and 3, so when we add equation 2 and 3, look here, what is equation 2? So I will add equation 2 and 3. So what is equation 2? Give us, equation 2 is nothing but OB square is equal to 100, and equation 3 is OA square. What is OB square? OB square is also 100 plus OA square is also 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. Look carefully, children. This 200 is nothing but it is equivalent to the value AB square, isn't it? So this is AB square. So look carefully. AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square, which is nothing but the statement of Pythagoras theorem, no? So clearly, which is a Pythagoras theorem? Which is a Pythagoras theorem, which implies, clearly, since we have proved this as this which satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB will be the hypotenuse. So the angle subtended at the point O will be 90 degree. So which implies angle O is equal to 90 degree. That is nothing but angle AOB is equal to 90. Thank you, students.